Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the pain that we're experiencing in this market and what is really going on and where you should expect things to be within the next few days, right? This is sell-off. It's pretty bad. The market is down by like -1%. They're pretty much all indices, and that kind of validates what I said in my last video. So we're gonna talk about that, and I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions. For those of y'all who dropped the stocks of interest in the comment section of our last video. Again, don't forget to destroy the like button, and also don't forget to click on subscribe and to click on the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these videos. Let's get started right off the bat. All right, so right now, yeah, there's just pain. It's a mess out there. I told y'all yesterday that I was anticipating a sell-off. The two videos that I presented yesterday, the two stocks that I presented yesterday, which was it was Square, which is currently down at the moment, and I believe it's going to go lower, and also AFRM, which is currently down right now, and I believe that's also going to go lower. All right, so right now we're just on the spot. There is this thing. There is this left shoulder right there, and then the head right here, and then the right shoulder right here. And if we zoom in to the 1 hour time frame right here, it's not looking too great. Again, I think we're gonna keep falling all the way down to like, it's already at 460. I thought 460 could be the bottom, but it looks like we're actually gonna shatter right through that and go towards 455. All right, and the reason why I said that previously is because of like this floor right here. All right, oh no, wrong drawing. It's because of this floor right over here, this one here. All right, right there. And if that breaks, then expect a lower low, especially on like Monday. And also QQQ got a gap to fill, which is something that you should keep on your watch list as well. We'll see how everything unfolds. The market is about to open in exactly 32 minutes, so we'll see how everything goes. Now let's check out AFRM really quickly. Let's do that. All right, now AFRM currently is down to $70. It's so close, so close. All right, I think that it's just going to flush down. And again, congrats to anybody who are in this thing. I think it's going to fall. It could get to $66. It's looking on point, and the market selling off also is helping out with this one. So yeah, now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The first one that we're going to address is NEO. Let's talk about NEO really quickly. All right, now NEO is actually taking a hit as well. All right, the whole market is taking a hit. Everything is taking a hit. Everything, all of it. All right, and there is this one thing right there that y'all should watch closely. Right here at 27. It looks like it's on target to go hit it again. I think it will hit it on probably today. If not today, then definitely on Monday. Today's Friday, so let's see. So we got this thing right over here, and we just need to see this thing fall all the way down here. And there is a gap at 22, which has been there for a very long time. Could NEO actually go all the way that low to $22? I think it might shock a lot of people, but the gap is there. It's still there. If you look on a daily, let me show you. Let me zoom out really quick. That way y'all can see exactly what I mean. It's right here. It's right there. Right here. This is what I mean. It's from like 23 all the way to $22. So don't ignore that. And I am kind of like anticipating that drop coming up. I would say next week. So keep that on your watch list for a potential continuation and for more pain on this market. Now, another stock that we're going to talk about in today's video, somebody have been asking about DKS. And regarding DKS, I know why the person is asking about it. Number one, there was something that looks like it looked clean. It looked clean, like left shoulder, we got the head, and then we got the right shoulder. It looked really clean. And then what happened? What happened was it failed to get above this neckline right here. It failed to do that. And it's just rejecting off of it. And when that happens, the aftermath is not so favorable. It's really not pleasant. The aftermath is this thing going all the way down to like $100, at least in my experience. I could be wrong, right? I could be wrong, but from my experience, from what I have seen, when this happens, there is a massive collapse that follows. All right, let me see. Something else showed this thing. It was UPS. Let me change it to the 5-minute. All right, we're gonna look at UPS really quick. You see that we got one rejection here, we got another trap here, and then we got a descending triangle followed by a fall into the close. So let's check out UPS. All right, now with UPS, let's see here. UPS, we're gonna go to the daily, no, the 4-hour actually, for that matter. All right, so UPS showed the same exact thing. We're gonna zoom out, and we got the left shoulder, we got the head, and then we got the right shoulder right here. And right now it's just rejecting again. It rejected from the top, like really ferociously, and it's just falling down and down and down again. And it's on its way all the way down to, I think again, it could go all the way down to 205, maybe even $200. Okay, so this is what I mean. Hopefully that helps some of you who may be beginners, who have having difficulties reading charts, right? So yeah, rejection off the leg, off the neckline of a head and shoulders or reverse head and shoulders is results in a massive move to the opposite direction. So this would not surprise me if we continue to collapse. Now, another stock that we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about AMD. Somebody have been asking about this. Now, AMD is also going to reach for these 127 levels. Not bullish on here. This is not a time where I would tell you like go aggressively, go buy. You're like, no, you should be very cautious. And until QQQ stops hemorrhaging, until the market kind of chills out, until everything that's supposed to drop actually drops to where they're supposed to go, you should always stay cautious and not go in too aggressively when you see something that may be bullish. Maybe, all right, maybe. But right now it's just no. Right now the coast is not too clear. We're gonna look at Costco because somebody asked about it. And for Costco, this one right here, it fell off from a ascending wedge or a rising wedge. It was right here, right there. All right. And then it broke down last week all the way down to 502 and 510 and produced this is a dead cat bounce. All right, this is a dead cat bounce, and the next stop is at $500, maybe even $480. It's not looking too great. It's not looking too favorable for longs right now. So I think it can go slightly lower, at least to $500, before we see some type of bounce. Yeah, that's my very honest opinion on this stock, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot. It allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are brand new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on the morning videos and the evening videos. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Ngumah and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you and you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get to free stocks after setting up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Ngumah with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.